Dear students, I hope that you are safe and healthy in this lockdown period along with your family members. So to utilize your free time, I will welcome you to the accountancy class on behalf of Vivekananda PU College, Puttur. See here, in our last class in the chapter 2nd, Accounting for Partnership Fundamentals, we discussed about a theory angle of such chapter. So in this class, let us summarize the one important topic we discussed in our previous class. So that is rules to be followed in the absence of partnership deed. In the case of partnership, agreement is compulsory, but deed is not compulsory. Deed means written partnership agreement. Partnership agreement oral irbahudu, writing alle irbeku anta enilla. If it is in writing, then it will avoid the future uncertainties. In the case of absence of partnership deed, while preparation of account at the end of the year, if there is any controversy arises between the partner, then how such an controversy is settled is, that is the topic. See here, as per Indian Partnership Act of 1932, rules to be followed in the absence of partnership deed, which is the practical oriented question we discussed in our previous class, that first rule is that profit or loss is shared equally. Though there is no agreement, at the end of the year, profit or loss is shared equally among the partner, whatever the amount of capital contributed by them. And second rule is that interest at 6% per annum is given on partner's loan. Other than capital, if any member, I mean partner, invests the additional amount which is called advance or loan by the partner, on such a advance, partner have the right of getting 6% interest per annum. No interest is given on partner's capital if there is no agreement between the partner while commencement of the business. In the absence of deed, interest is not given on partner's capital, though it is demanded by the partner. And next one is, no interest is charged on partner's drawing. For the personal use, if any amount of money withdrawn by the partner from the business for his personal use, on that amount no interest is charged over him on the amount drawn by him. And next, no extra remuneration is given to working partner. Other than financing partner, if a partner participate in management also, and in the time of commencement of business, if there is no any deed as far as remuneration is concerned, at the end of the year, if working partner demand some amount of remuneration for the effort done by him for management of the business, then no remuneration is given over the work done by him. See, these are the various 5 rules we followed in our previous class. Yes, next, final account of partnership firm. Final account of partnership firm. Final account means, as per accounting period concept, each business is required to prepare their account for the purpose of knowing their progress over a year and thereby to take the necessary decision in future. Yes, therefore, at the end of the year, the various accounts that are prepared by the partnership firm are, as I said earlier in my previous class, first they have to prepare a trading account. Our trading account anna madtare. The purpose of preparation of trading account is that to know the gross profit, or gross loss, followed by profit and loss account, the next account, that is a profit and loss account, same as sole trader. The purpose or intention of preparation of profit and loss account is to calculate the net profit, or net loss of the business. And further, in the case of partnership firm, though the total profit not belongs to a single partner, the profit is required to appropriate. I mean, profit is required to divide among the partner. To show such division of the profit, the next account followed by profit and loss account is profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account is required to prepare. The intention of profit and loss appropriation is that whatever the amount we received in profit and loss account being final amount, I mean balance, which is called net profit or net loss, required to divide among the partner. In what way such an amount is divided among the partner and how much divisible amount is there to distribute, to show and to know the same, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. And after profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account is to be prepared. Partners capital account is prepared. The partners capital account is individual partners capital account. I mean, if there are 3 partners, we are required to prepare 3 capital accounts. See here, a partners capital account is prepared because whatever the opening capital, that is added with and that is deducted with various items. For example, interest on drawing is added, divisible profit is added, drawing is deducted. If there is interest on capital, that is added. So such an additions and deductions are there over the capital amount. Therefore, at the end of the year, what about the closing capital? To know the same, partners capital account is prepared. Partners capital account is prepared under 2 methods. One fixed method, another one is fluctuating, also called as floating method. There are 2 methods to prepare partners capital account, one fixed method and another one is a fluctuating method. And finally, we have to prepare the balance sheet. So this is the long journey about preparation of final account of a partnership firm. But here in our syllabus, it is said that preparation of trading account and profit and loss account is not expected. It is not expected. Adannu avaru expect madudilla, because in your first PUC syllabus, in the chapter final account of sole proprietor, you prepare the trading account and profit and loss account. ಆ ಎರಡು account ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Further, the preparation of trading account and profit and loss account by the sole trader and partnership firm, there is no change. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ to simplify the syllabus, trading account profit and loss account is deleted. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. It means you are given with the answer of profit and loss account, that is net profit in the problem. Problem alle net profit irutte. By catching such net profit, you have to start with the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. And further, balance sheet you prepared in your first PUC syllabus, being the balance sheet of the sole proprietor. Preparation of balance sheet by the sole trader and preparation of the balance sheet by the partnership firm in same principle, same manner. Therefore, it is said that you need not expected to prepare the balance sheet also in second PU. Therefore, you are required to study just about preparation of profit and loss appropriation account number 1, preparation of partners capital account under fixed method, second one, and preparation of capital account under fluctuating method, third one. Therefore, we have to concentrate such an 3 topics here in the case of final account of partnership firm is concerned. Partnership in a final account alle trading account 1, profit and loss account second one, profit and loss appropriation third one, partners capital account fourth one, and balance sheet 5 ಭಾಗಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 5 ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ trading account and profit and loss account is not expected to prepare, and balance sheet also not expected to prepare. You are required to prepare about the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, but in 2 methods, one fixed method, another one is a fluctuating method. Dear students, in this class, let us focus and let us discuss about preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, wherein our topic commences from the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account, that what is profit and loss appropriation account. See, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after preparation of profit and loss account. Therefore, the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account starts in such a way that this is the next part or continuation part of profit and loss account. Okay, this is the next part of idu mundina bhaga. Okay, these are in sequence. Trading account number 1, okay, profit and loss appropriation, profit and loss account 2, Okay, appropriation 3. Therefore, profit and loss appropriation account is continuation part of profit and loss account. 1 minute, I will continue the meaning. Okay, our discussion about preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. In first order, trading account is there, followed by profit and loss account, then profit and loss appropriation account. See here, the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account is that this is the next part of or continuation part of profit and loss account. Means in the case of profit and loss account, whatever the profit or loss we received, that is not divisible profit. Adu divide madlikkiruvanತಹ profit alla. So to know the divisible profit, we have to deduct and we have to add all those items relating to partner. For example, partner salary, partner commission, partner's interest on capital, partner's interest on drawing are not adjusted in profit and loss account. In the case of profit and loss account, income and expenses relating to business are adjusted only. ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ adjusted to profit and loss account. Therefore, after adjusting such an items relating to partner, whatever the divisible profit divide ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Therefore, profit and loss appropriation account means this is the continuation part of profit and loss account which is prepared by partnership firm. Sole trader not prepare it. Okay, sole trader not prepare it because appropriation means divide or division. ಹಂಚುವುದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ appropriation. In the case of sole proprietorship, the question of distribution of profit or loss not arises because whole profit belongs to one owner or whole loss suffered by one owner. ಲಾಭ ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಷ್ಟ ಇರಲಿ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ತದೆ. In the case of sole proprietor firm, here to show the division of profit or loss, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared by the partnership firm. So this is the ledger account, which is the next part of profit and loss account prepared by partnership firm to know the divisible profit, and also to show its distribution. Adara distribution anna torislikke iruvanತಹ account that is called a profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, profit and loss appropriation account meaning it is a ledger account. It is a ledger account. Ledger account means it contains two side, one debit side, credit side, which is prepared by passing the journal entries. Okay, it is a ledger account which is the next part of or continuation part, which is the next part of profit and loss account, which is the next part of profit and loss account, comma prepared by partnership firm, prepared by partnership firm to know. See, it is prepared by partnership firm, sole trader not prepare it because appropriation means a division or a distribution of profit or loss. To know divisible profit, net profit ಬೇರೆ, divisible profit ಬೇರೆ. Divisible profit means what about the ultimate profit available to the partner to distribute. To know the divisible profit or loss and also to show its distribution. And also to show its distribution. Adara distribution anna ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ account. How it is distributed is, I repeat, it is a ledger account means it is a nominal account which contains two sides, debit and credit. As per nominal account principle, debit all those expenses, credit all those incomes. We know it is a ledger account which is prepared, which is the next part of a profit and loss account, prepared by partnership firm to know the divisible profit and also to show its distribution. It means divisible profit. So this is the meaning. Now let us discuss about what is the format, okay, format of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, its format, adra format hegide anta. As I said earlier, see, profit and loss appropriation account is the ledger account. See, this is the format of the ledger account, wherein this left hand side is debit side, this right hand side is credit side, and here it is rupees, if you feel that you are in India, and further here it is a nominal account. In the case of nominal account, debit all those expenses and losses. Expenses and losses are recorded in debit side, and in credit side incomes, okay, incomes and gains are recorded. So this is the principle of preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Student, remember, whatever the number of partner, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇರಲಿ, amount column is single, okay, amount column is single. In debit side single, credit side single. This is not individual profit and loss account. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. If there are 4 partner, only one profit and loss appropriation. If there are 3 partner, only one appropriation account is prepared. But in the case of our next topic, that is partners capital account, that is individual partners capital account. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5 ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ is different from one partner to another partner, and adjustments also different. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಗ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಟು ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. It is because we prepared one trading account, we prepared one profit and loss account, and further profit and loss appropriation is one to the business. And finally here we will receive what about the divisible profit. Such an divisible profit is the total divisible profit of the business. To calculate the same, such an profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. Yes, let us write the necessary entries with the imaginary amounts. See here, profit and loss appropriation account, its importance in examination that it is practical oriented question. See, rules to be followed in absence of partnership deed. This is practical oriented question in this chapter, and further this is also, which one, profit and loss appropriation, also a practical oriented question. Adu practical oriented agi keltare. I mean, with the imaginary amount, we have to prepare one format of profit and loss appropriation account. You are not given with the amounts, you are not given with the entries, okay. By the imaginary items you are required to prepare it. Yes, let us start. As I said earlier in the meaning, profit and loss appropriation account is the next part. Profit and loss appropriation account is the next part of profit and loss account. See, in profit and loss account, the product is, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್. If it is profit, that is taken here because income, credit all those income by profit and loss account, by profit and loss account. We have to write by profit and loss account because this is the product of profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account alli by net profit, by profit and loss account also you can write a net profit brought down. Hagu baribodu, net profit brought down. 2 possibilities are there, okay, 2 options. One, by profit and loss account, because this is the answer that is carried from profit and loss account, or net profit brought down. Write one imaginary amount of rupees 40,000. Okay, imaginary amount 40,000. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರಿಗೆ 40,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And further, interest on partner's capital. Here, interest on partner's capital, as per separate entity concept, owner is outsider to the business. In accounting, we are preparing the account of the business. Over the amount invested by the owner, business is required to pay the interest. Business ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Therefore, it is the expense to the business to interest on partners capital. To interest on partners capital. See here, net profit, that is the income recorded in credit side, whereas interest on partners capital is a expense to the business. Adondu business ige kharchu, because business required to pay the interest to the owner. Owner is outsider for accounting purpose. Okay, so imagine that there are two owner, minimum two you have to assume, minimum ibranne assume madbeku. You can write any amount, any name, okay, A or B, or like, or you can write Arun, Varun, so like that any name you can write, because it is imaginary. A capital, imagine that it is 40,000. B capital, imagine that this is 20,000. Okay, adavara capital. On such, imagine one interest. Okay, imagine one interest. I assume 10%. ನಾನು 10% ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So assume some percentage of interest of your own. So it is 4,000 into 10%. Sorry, 40,000. 40,000 into 10%, that is 4,000. Okay, number one. Okay, 4,000. Another, on 20,000, 10%, it is 2,000. So total it is 6,000. Okay, 6,000. First one, profit and loss account, which is opening balance here. Illindale problem start agudu. First idanne baribeku, because without profit you can deduct any expense anna deduct madlikke agudilla. And further, this is the amount brought forward. Okay, it is brought down andre first ಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತ amount. Okay, interest on partners capital. And further, assume that A is working partner. If A is working partner, if there is agreement, if there is no agreement, no extra salary or commission given, agreement illadidre illa. Okay, imagine that there is agreement for extra salary to the working partner A. Then second entry, to A's salary. Okay, A's salary. A's salary, annual salary, okay, to the year, imagine that this is 4,000. Okay, annual salary. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ 4,000 salary ಅಂತ ನೀವು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, you can assume any amount. And further, interest on drawing. Okay, interest on drawing. See, as per separate entity concept, though the owner withdraw the amount for his personal use from the amount, owner personal use ಗೆ amount ಅನ್ನು ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ, on that amount, owner is required to pay the interest to the business. Therefore, interest on drawing is a receivable amount. ಅದು business ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. I repeat, owner is outsider. Owner accountancy purpose ಗೆ ಅವ outsider. ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಗೆ ಅವ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓನರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವೇಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಅದು ರಿಸೀವೇಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ by interest on partners. Okay, by interest on partners drawings. Interest on partners drawing. Okay, so interest on partner drawing A, B. Okay, A and B. See here, interest on drawing, in the case of A, his interest on drawing is 800, whereas in the case of B, it is 200. So imagine any amount. Okay, personal use amount anna withdraw ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ A ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ interest 800 and B is 200. Further, B clarify once again that interest on drawing is income. See here, it is income because business required to receive the drawing interest. So it is total 1,000, 800, 200. And further, profit and loss account, that is the net profit brought down, interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on capital. Okay, A and B are two partners, and A is the working partner. On him you are required to give, okay, the salary to him for his effort. Yes, over. These are the various entries. Yes, finally balance. The procedure of balancing is that in the case of ledger account, we have to see which side total is more. See here, credit side total more. It is 41,000. Okay, 41,000. So write it here 41,000. So same total here 41,000. Same total and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. And further grasp what is the balance. Okay, so balance. See here 41,000 minus 4,000 minus 6,000. I mean 41,000 minus totally 10,000. Okay, it is 31,000. So such an 31,000, remember it is 31,000. 1 minute, I will note it here. So 31,000 is the divisible profit. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ divisible profit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು. See, this is net profit. That is divisible profit. From this net profit, we are required to deduct interest on capital and salary, and you are required to add the income which is interest on drawing. Finally you receive 31,000, which is the divisible profit. Such an profit is distributed among A and B, I mean partner ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು distribute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so it is the entry is 2 TO TW. Okay, so 2 time ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 to A, another one is to B. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಗೂ ಬಿಗೂ. To A to B capital account, to A's capital account, to B capital account. It is transferred to their capital account. It is transferred to the capital account if the method is fluctuating method. I said while preparation of partner's capital account there are 2 methods. If we are follow the fluctuating method, then balance transfer to partner's capital account. If it is fixed method, then it is a current account. Okay, to A's capital account. See, divisible profit is 31,000. So 31,000. Here also 31,000. And such an 31,000 is distributed. You are required to share. Further, as I said earlier, this is practical oriented question that you are required to prepare it under imaginary amount and imaginary values and imaginary item. Therefore, imagine one profit distribution ratio. As I said earlier, in the case of absence of partnership deed, if there is no agreement, then profit or loss is shared equally. Profit ಅಥವಾ loss ಅನ್ನು equal ಆಗಿ share ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And further, if there is agreement, as per agreement you are required to distribute. Now assume it is equal, therefore it is 1/2, 1/2. Okay, 1/2, 1/2. Then A's share is 15,500. Okay, 31,000 into half. Okay, 31,000 it's half, 15,500. Here also 15,500 to B, 15,500. So now it is total is 41,000 total. Okay, so in such a way profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. At the end of the year, students, be note. Okay, one note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Note is number first condition, capital is not recorded. Okay, good. Capital is not recorded. To the profit and loss appropriation account, capital ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Its interest is recorded. Interest, see, this is capital. Capital is not recorded. Its interest 4,000 is recorded. So first principle, first rule, capital is not recorded because capital is the liability that is recorded in balance sheet. ಇದು balance sheet ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, balance sheet ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. I am going to explain this principle because in the problem, see, a problem is in ready to work out. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಔಟ್. ವೆರಿನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 1,80,000. 1,80,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Such an 1,80,000 which is the capital, that is not recorded. Okay, its interest is recorded. Its interest is recorded. Number 1. Second one, drawing is not recorded. Drawings is not recorded. Only interest is recorded. Its interest is recorded. See here, interest on partner's drawing. If the drawing is given, that is not recorded. For example, see here. Here it is said that their drawings during the year, Himani 16,000, Sohani 20,000. Drawing is given. Drawing record madlikilla. Okay, it's a interest only recorded. I assume that this is the interest. Okay, drawing annu barilikilla. Drawing is not recorded in appropriation account because drawing is not a income. So it is a asset to the business which is recorded in the balance sheet by deducting the drawing from the capital. Ava hakida amount inda drawing annu minus ಮಾಡಿ balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. I repeat, capital and drawings recorded in balance sheet, only its interest is recorded in ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅದರ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ appear in a balance sheet. Okay, so this is the rule or procedure of preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Now, practical oriented question, that is preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, or in section C it may appear being direct question that you are provided with the one problem about preparation of a profit and loss appropriation account. Now let us work out this problem. Here, while preparing the problem of a profit and loss appropriation account, you have to note that items are same items like interest on drawing or interest on capital etc are recorded, but amount specifically given in the problem. Okay, yes, let us read the problem. See here, question for 6 mark. Himani and Sohani commenced business with the capital of rupees 1 lakh. Oh, their capital is 1 lakh. As I said earlier, capital is not recorded in appropriation account. Okay, it will appear in balance sheet. With the capital of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively on 1/4/2019, they prepare their account on 1/4. They commenced their business on 1/4/2019. ಅವರ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 1 April 2019. It means we are required to prepare the account at the end of the year. Year end is 31st March 2020. Agreeing to share the profit or loss in the ratio of 3:2. Oh, here profit sharing ratio is given, that is 3:2. In the problem that is practical oriented, we worked out so far, we assume that is equal. Profit sharing ratio was equal, but here a clear ratio is given 3:2. We have to divide the divisible profit in a 3:2 ratio. At the end of the year is 31st March 2020. They earn the profit of rupees 36,000, which is the starting point of profit and loss appropriation account, because which is the next part of a profit and loss account. Okay, the net profit of rupees 36,000 before allowing. Oh, the 4 adjustments are not at all adjusted. Before allowing, one, interest on capital at 5% per annum. Interest on capital as per separate entity concept, business is required to pay the interest. Remember, it is expense. Interest on drawing, Himani 600 and Sohani 1,000 rupees. Interest on drawing, remember, it is income to the business because business required to receive the interest. Yearly salary to the Himani. Oh, I think she is a working partner. To her, business is required to pay 10,000 being salary yearly, not monthly. If it is at that monthly salary, then you are required to multiply from 12. Okay, here there is no question of multiplying by 12 because it is said that yearly salary to Himani 10,000 and commission to Sohani for her service. Okay, I think there is an agreement ಇರಬೇಕು, agreement ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, commission to Sohani rupees 4,000 and their drawings during the year, Himani rupees 16,000 and Sohani 20,000. See, drawing ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಐಟಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಾಕ್ಷಿಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ದಾಕ್ಷಿಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್. ಬಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಗೊಂದಲ ಬೇಡ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ appropriation account for the year ending. Okay, year ending 31st March 2020, because it is said that they commence the business. Okay, they commenced business. Okay, on 1/4/2019, means year end is 31st March 2020. wherein ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್. ಇಡೀ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಅಂಡ್ rupees here, amount column, that is rupees, and further it is credit all those incomes. Nominal account, ಇದು ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇದು credit all those incomes and gain, and debit all those expenses. Okay, debit all those expenses and losses. Okay, this is the rule. Profit and loss appropriation account is next part of profit and loss account. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್, or also you can write a profit and loss account, which is the starting point of this profit and loss appropriation account. Here it is said that they earn, at the end of the year, they earn the profit of rupees 36,000. See, 36,000 is the net profit, which is the starting point. Yes, then follow the adjustment one by one. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ adjustment ಅನ್ನ follow ಮಾಡಿ and make necessary entries. If you feel that it is expense, feel ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. If it is expense, that is recorded in debit side. If you feel that, oh, it is income to the business, then that is recorded here. It is Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai, that is income. Okay, here it is Badi Hoda Balliyinda. Okay, very sad. Okay, that is recorded here. Yes, interest on capital. Interest on capital, as per separated entity concept, business is required to give the interest on capital. Very bad, very sad. It is expense to the business. Okay, ad expense business ige, therefore it is recorded here. Two, because there are two partner. Yes, one interest on capital at 5% per annum. They said 5% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Capital is not recorded, its interest is recorded. So to interest on Sohani, sorry, first partner Himani. Okay, so Himani capital. Okay, interest on Himani capital. Yes, how much Himani capital? Himani and Sohani commenced business with the capital of rupees 1,80,000 respectively, means Himani capital is 1 lakh. Okay, on this 1 lakh rupees, we have to charge said percentage. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹ percentage ಅನ್ನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, because this is not practical oriented question, this is particular question. Okay, so it is interest on Himani capital, that is 1 lakh 5%, that is 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Though you recorded separate entry, okay, like 2 interest on Himani Capital, you can write the amount in outer column because there is no necessity of recording it inner column and adding, because you are given separate entry to Himani and Sohani, different entries. And next, to interest on another partner, to inability kodbedwe, to interest on Sohani Capital. Yes, her capital is, it is 80,000. Refer the problem al nodi, that is 80,000. On 80,000 we are required to give the interest. 80,000 into 5% means that is 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Oh, our first adjustment completed. Modala adjustment aitu yavudo, interest on capital at 5% per annum, that is completed. Second one, interest on drawings. Interest on drawing. Oh, this is interest. Personal use ಗೆ ಓನರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. For personal use, owner withdraw the amount from the business. On that amount, owner required to pay the interest to the business. I mean, business required to receive. Business required to receive the interest. I mean, that is income. Therefore, it is by interest on Himani drawing. By interest on Himani drawing. Yes, Himani drawing. Interest on drawing, Himani 600. Okay, it is given 600. And further, and Sohani 1,000 by interest on Sohani drawings. How much it is? 1,000. Yes, 1,000. Remember, it is income. Okay. Interest is recorded. Here also interest is recorded. Principal amounts are not recorded. What is principal amount? In the case of capital is principal amount 1 lakh. It is recorded in balance sheet. Okay. And further, here 80,000 is capital. Capital is not recorded. Its interest 4,000 recorded. Because this is the practice among the students that though the capital is given in the problem, they used to record capital in outer column. Illi capital anne bardirtire. Okay, only its interest is nominal item. Okay, capital is liability. And yeah, okay, we completed second adjustment, that is interest on drawing. And third one, yearly salary to Himani. I think Himani is working partner. To her, yearly salary of rupees 10,000. Now check, now decide whether salary is income to the business or whether it is expense to the business. Salary is expense because business required to give the salary in exchange of service provided from the employee. Okay, therefore it is to Himani salary. To Himani salary. Here it is said that yearly salary ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore, there is no necessity of multiplication from 12. It is 10,000 yearly salary. Okay, we adjusted salary to Himani rupees 10,000. And further it is said that commission to Sohani. Okay, for the service provided by Sohani, there is agreement to give the commission to Sohani of rupees 400. Expense to the business because business required to pay the commission exchange of service provided by Sohani. Therefore, it is to Sohani commission. Sohani commission. Sohani commission, it is given that 4,000. Okay, 4,000. In the problem, if there is no clarity that whether this is yearly commission or monthly commission, we have to assume that this is yearly commission. ಇದು ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ 12 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, okay. And last one, their drawing during the year, Himani 16,000, Sohani 20,000. As I said earlier, though this is the liability, it is shown in liability side, not in appropriation account. Adu nominal item alla, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವೇರ್ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಬೈ ಅದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಾಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ನಾವೀಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if a ledger account appear in front of a student, this is the duty that we have to balance it. Okay, so balance. What is the procedure of balancing ledger account? We have to look the side in which total is more. Give a glance to the profit and loss appropriation account, identify the amounts. Okay, look in which side total is more. Here one big amount 36,000 is there, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36,000 ಇದೆ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, therefore credit side total more. So total it 36,001, 37,600, 37,600. Okay, 37,600, 36,000 plus 1,000 plus 600, 37,600. Write the same total here adjacent to it, 37,600. Okay, 37,600 is the total. Next, check whatever the balance. Okay, balance. 1 minute. See here, total in credit side total is more. Credit side no total ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ, therefore it is a income. Good news. Okay, so be happy that ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆ. Sometime there may be deficit, I mean expenses are more, such a possibilities are there. Okay, so here 37,000. Now identify the balance. Take the calculator. Okay, type 37,600 minus 4,000 minus 10,000 minus 4,000 minus 5,000. Okay, so check how much it is. 16,400 I think, isn't it? Check. 14,600. Okay, 14,600. Such an 14,600 belongs to both the partner. ಅದು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. Such an 36,000 Himani and Sohani have the right. Therefore, whatever the number of partner, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ number of partner ಇರಲಿ, profit and loss appropriation account is single, I mean one. This is called divisible profit. Such an 16,400 divided among the partner between Himani and Sohani, right, to Himani capital account. It is transferred to capital account. Remember, if it is fluctuating method, ಅದು fluctuating method ಆದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟು ಹಿಮಾನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 14,600 into given ratio. Okay, here ratio is given that in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of 3:2 it is said, if a ratio is not given, then it is distributed equally as per the rule. In the absence of partnership deed, equally ಹಂಚಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕಾರಣ that is in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, 14,600 into 3/5, 3:2, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 8760. It is a 8760, 8,760. Okay, to Himani. To the another partner, to Sohani capital, to Sohani capital account. ಅವಳಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 14,600, divisible profit 14,600, and her ratio is 2/5. Okay, 2/5, that is given ratio in the problem, 3 plus 2. Okay, so 2/5. In such a ratio you are required to distribute 5,840. 5,840. Okay, so in such a way, such an 14,600, which is the surplus, distributed between Himani and Sohani. See, this is the question for 6 mark in the section C. This is about preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. In summary, The necessity of a profit and loss appropriation account from the point of examination is that it may practical oriented question. ಒಂದ ಇದನ್ನು practical oriented question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು by assuming your own amount to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, or a direct question like this. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. Dear students, though we prepare one profit and loss appropriation account in this class, in our next class let us meet with another profit and loss appropriation account. How it is prepared is with the different values and with some different adjustments. Okay, that's all. Thank you.